Hi friends, I am your TECH.REHAAN. Today we'll discuss about xlookup function in Excel. Come on, let's go. Here I have a table where I have region wise and month wise cells. Here in this cell I took the data validation of all the region names. Now I want to map the data for all the months according to region wise. Then select the cells. Here we have a function called equal to xlookup. The lookup value is the region, comma, the lookup array is the region column, comma, the return array is the values of the months, comma, and 0 is the match type. Close the bracket and enter it. We got the values of Bangalore. Now if we change it to any other city like Mumbai, then the values will be changed. Here if we go to Hyderabad, we can see the values of Hyderabad. So here numbers are changing dynamically. Hope everyone understood this concept. Please like and follow my page to get interesting videos like this. Don't be lazy, be busy. So thank you guys. We'll meet in the next video.